That's a lesson for young lawyers for sure that you just gave. It's a nugget any young lawyer should remember. If you are winning or if you have won, just shut up. The judge has already ruled in your favor. No, judge, you've taken care of it. I don't have anything to add.
They dismissed the case and then we were able to go home.
Tell me about your client.
She made a mistake one time with the DWI, and I feel like she learned her lesson. I don't think she had a drinking problem. She just got pulled over. And then the only thing that happened with this time was the news was so upsetting that anybody who would hear what actually happened to her would be like, oh, yeah, I would have done the same thing, right? It was a confluence of bad circumstances that led to where she was still there. If she was closer, her parents would have already picked her up, but then she would have never been my client, right? That happens sometimes, right? And so it's just that she was willing to go to trial. The judge doesn't like dropping down to DWI 1 so that the person doesn't have to do the 3 days, because she was willing to take a probation, right? And just to avoid a trial, right? But I was telling her, I was like, okay, well, if they don't want to accept this, then we're just going to go to trial.
I really want to know what was her reaction when the judge said those powerful words dismissing the case.
She was very, very thankful for us because of the way it happened, right? It's like I'm literally lambasting this police officer with a bunch of questions and stuff. My assistant was there, and my assistant even told me afterwards, she said, when he started saying, I don't know, she was like, oh, he got him. We won the case right here. But I didn't feel that way, and so I didn't even know that. And so then when she all of a sudden said, she's finding this an illegal arrest, I was kind of like, oh, what's going on? And then they were like, no, we want to confer and bring up some case law. So I was like, okay, so they must know some kind of way to get over her decision, because like sometimes we just like, well, I haven't experienced everything, so they must know some kind of thing that I don't know. We were just kind of waiting around. And then the judge, instead of like waiting, she just started going with her regular cases. It took them a while. They took a plea, they did a bunch of resets. So we're literally just kind of like waiting. Then I had to approach without the client, as approaching as if the jury's still not even in there. So when she said it, I'm literally away from the client. So I had to go back to her. And so it's like, so she heard it away from me, right?